Hello students, in this video class we are going to discuss about relationship and types of relationship. In a entity relationship model, a relationship describes an association among entities. So association is nothing but how one entity connected to another entity. And if you take an example like student receives a certificate, it's a statement which is describing about student and certificate. So here how these two entities are connected in this statement. Student receives certificate. There is a relationship like student may receive any number of certificates, and that a certificate can be had by only one student. So here there is a relationship between student and certificate. So we can show in the entity relationship model student as an entity shown with the symbol rectangle, and receives is a relationship between student and certificate. It is known as a relationship shown with diamond symbol, and a certificate is a weak entity, because if a certificate is there, definitely it should have the details of a student, so that it is depending on the student, no? So that it considered as weak entity shown with the double line rectangle, whereas strong entity can be shown with single line rectangle like this. And what is the relationship between these two? We can identify like one student or a student may receive any number of certificates like this, one and many certificates. So like identifying this type of relationship is depends on types of relationships. So data models use three types of relationships. They are one-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many. So if you come to the first thing, one-to-one. So what is one-to-one? So one-to-one relationship is each record in a table can have only one matching record in another table. For suppose you have two tables. Here student table, you assume student is an entity. No, for each and every entity will take the relational model in the form of table. This is the student table, and here is a certificate table. Assume like this, right? When each record, every table is having a number of rows and columns. Here rows are known as tuples and records. Columns are attributes, right? These are all records, and here also it has some records and columns also, right? So what I'm saying, one-to-one relationship, each record in a table can have only one matching record in another table. For suppose here one record, okay, one record is having only one matching with another table record, is called as one-to-one. Only one record is matching with one record of another table. We can say that, I can tell you that example. Student has a unique roll number. Student has a unique roll number. This is one-to-one because one student has only one unique roll number. Next, one-to-many. You can guess that a record in table A, for suppose this is table A and this is table B. A record in table A can have many matching records in table B, like A, B. One record is matching with many records. This type of relationship. And you have to remember one more thing also, but when a table record of table A can have many matching records in table B, but a record in table B has only one matching record in table A. So here what it should satisfy, that record in table B has only one matching record in table A, then only it is called as one-to-many relationship. This is one record having many. But here these are having only one. This record is having connection to only one, and here it is having to one, here it is having to one, here it is having to one. So like this relationship is one to many relationship. These A and B are the tables, and we can say it as in other form, entities. Next, many to many can be shown with M to N. So in this relationship, what happens? A record in table A can have many matching records in table B, and a record in table B can have many matching records in table A. We can say simply. So it is having many from left to right. For suppose this is A table and this is B table. So from this side it is having many to many. From this side it is having many to many. From the table A side it is having many records are matching with many records of table A, and from table B also many records of table B are matching with many records of table A. This type of relationship is many to many. This is about relationship and the types of relationships. So simply, relationship describes an association among entities, and relationships types are three: one to one, one to many, many to many. So this is depends on how many number of records are matching with how many number of records in another table. If only one matching record with one, one to one from both the sides, from table A to B, B to A. And when one to many is nothing but one record is having many matching records in table B, and from this side that should have only one. And many to many records of table A are matching with many records of table B. At the same time, many records of table B are matching with many records of table A. This is the concept of relationship and types of relationship. Thank you.